Labeling relays that control air handling units, or AHUs, is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, clear identification is paramount. Labels enable technicians to quickly identify which relay corresponds to a specific AHU, streamlining troubleshooting and maintenance procedures. Secondly, safety is greatly enhanced. Proper labeling ensures technicians can accurately determine which AHU is affected in case of a relay malfunction or the need for servicing, preventing potential accidents or damage. Thirdly, compliance with electrical codes and safety regulations in many jurisdictions mandates relay labeling. The labeling requirements generally specify that labels must be clear, permanent, and easily visible. These labels should include specific information. 1. The AHU identification, for example, AHU-1 or AHU-main. 2. The relay function, such as fan, damper, or heater. 3. The relay number or identification, such as relay-1 or relay-fan. Best practices for AHU control relay labeling include using durable labels that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. These labels should be placed directly in the relay housing or in a clearly visible location adjacent to the relay. Consider using color-coded labels to visually differentiate between different types of relays, further improving identification. Consistency in labeling is essential throughout the entire building or facility to avoid confusion.